Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to keep kitchen cabinet doors closed? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to show you a quick and easy way to fix any kitchen cabinet doors that are not staying closed. If you like this video, please go to the bottom right, hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate those subscribers. That's what keeps the channel going. Also, likes and comments. So if you take a look at this cabinet, what we have is a cabinet that doesn't like to stay closed. So when you close it, it pops out. Close it, pops out. And this is what a lot of our cabinets, we fixed most of them. So what you could do is you could buy all new hinges, but these hinges are all adjustable and they're fairly pricey, and doing the whole kitchen with new hinges would take hours and probably cost upwards of $1,000. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do a quick and easy way using magnets. Specifically, we bought these Liberty Tin Value Pack magnets. I'll link them from Amazon in the description. But these are good because they're not too strong. You don't want good strong magnets for this. You want a very light magnet that you're not going to feel is there, but it just has enough to hold that shut. Like I said, we've done most of the cabinets already. This was one of the ones that we did not do, but now it's not closing properly. So it's a much easier way to get it fixed. The first thing you're going to want to do is take out one of the screws that's with the pack here, with the magnet pack. It comes with screws and hardware. You're going to try to find a bit. I like the 3/32 inch bit. Just make sure it's smaller than the screw. And then you want to make sure that, number one, the screw is not going to go through your cabinet door, that your cabinet door is thick enough, which it should be. And then you want to mark your screw, or rather your drill bit, with a piece of tape about the length of the screw to make sure that you don't drill too far. Because we're going to show you how to mark where to drill. Once you put that tape on there, you can check it next to your cabinet and say, okay, we're fine. We're not going to drill through the face of the cabinet. So you don't want to cause any damage here. Now with a double cabinet door like this, without the middle piece of cabinetry, you really only need to use one of these magnets. So these magnets have a mounting system, and on something like this, you can put this right in the middle and it will catch both doors. If you had a line in the middle, you'd put one on one. But again, we like this because we want it to be as minimal as possible, as very little pulling. So let your cabinet door close one half, and then center your magnet there, and go ahead and mark the center of where that magnet should be. So we've marked the center of the magnet. Now we're going to do some drilling. Stay tuned. Now that this has been marked, you're going to set it back just a tiny bit, maybe 1/16 of an inch, and make 2 marks underneath with a pencil. That's going to be the guide for your drill. And then you're going to use that pre-measured length that you already did and just get it drilled in. The other thing that you can do is the kit comes with these plates. That's what the magnet attaches to. If you run out of plates, you can use a stainless steel washer. So if you're doing this using 2 plates and 1 magnet, you might run out. You can get some washers and use that. That's what I did. So when this closes here, you know that with the magnet, you're going to want this plate about right here inside. So you can hold it on your door, and then you can mark that on the door with your pencil. And then again, it's a quick drill, left-handed for the camera. Okay, let's get this all screwed together. So you can just screw this in with a screwdriver or a drill or whatever. And in this particular magnet, it kind of has tracks, so don't go too tight. Put it down, figure it out, and then you can tighten it up. Then we want to go ahead and put the other piece into the hole we drilled. This kit comes with both pan head, which is rounded, and flat head screws. They're both Phillips, but you want to use the flat head for the plates so they catch right, and then you can use the pan head for the magnets. So we're just going to go ahead and get that set in our pilot hole. And pilot holes are important just so you don't mess up your cabinets. And then it should bite right in. Tighten this down. Once you do, you erase your little pencil mark there. And we will close right there. And now, stay closed, but it's effortless to open. Stand up, let's check it out. Again, we were showing you earlier, they were opening and closing, and now, just that easy. Will never open again. Well, thanks for tuning in to Mr. Greg's How To. Hope this helped you out. It's a simple fix, but it was really handy and it's worked for a long time for us. It'll probably work forever. So again, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Remember, likes and comments. Any questions you got, put in the comment box. Any videos you want to see, go ahead and put them down there. Really appreciate you tuning in. And with all these videos, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.